This is Preboard 2026 question. Read the passage, pause the video, write your answer, then check your answer. Now come to the answer part. This is the answer. First one is efficiently. Efficiently is a adverb, describes how animals act. They act by their instincts and so efficiently. Second one is imaginative. Imaginative is adjective, describes men. Men are intelligent and imaginative. Third one is explanations. Explanations is noun, plural noun, thing that men invent. They invent clever explanations. Fourth one is stupidly. Stupidly is your adverb, describes how they act. With their intelligence, they often act stupidly. Fifth one is obey. Obey is a verb, action done by animals. Animals obey the instinct. Then sixth one is do. Do is your verb. Animals obey the instinct and do the work. Seventh one is idiotically. That is adverb, describes how men behave. Men behave idiotically. Idiotically. Adverb. Foolishness. Foolishness is the noun, name of a quality. Experience shows them the foolishness. Okay. Next one is your preposition. Now come to the preposition. This is preposition. Pause the video, write your answer, then check the answer. Now come to the answer part. This is the answer. See, first one is he goes to school dash foot on foot. Second one, Deepak was very upset dash me with me, that is angry with me. Suresh was one worker who worked dash honestness. This is your with, that is manner. Differs from. Fell into is movement from outside to inside. Fell into the pond, fell into the river, fell into the room. Go from outside to inside, movement is your into. This is parting. This is your sixth number is from, parting from someone. 7. Continued dash the night through the night. Through the night means whole duration, whole night. Whole night is through the night. Skill comes dash practice. Skill comes from practice, that is source. Here from means source, comes from practice. Now question number 3. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but or so. First one. John is still very weak. He must not go to work yet. For the video, write your answer. He must not go. So this is your John must not go to work yet नहीं रहेगा. John must not go to work आज. He is still very weak. आज he is here. आज he is still very weak. This is your option D. Option D is John must not go to work as he is still very weak. Next one. How cunning she is, no one can imagine. No one can imagine. This is your no one can imagine. No one can imagine. Then how cunning she is. Exclamation mark नहीं रहेगा. So answer will be, your answer is D. Your answer is C. This is no one can imagine how cunning she is. Next one. 3. Answer the first topic, you proceed further. Answer the first topic before you proceed further. Before you proceed further. This is option A only. Next one, fourth one. He found his mobile. He had left it on the table. He found his mobile which he had left on the table. See, this is your B. He found his mobile which he had left on the table. It नहीं रहेगा, which he had left on the table. So option B. Now question 4. Choose the correct option to rewrite the following according to the instruction given after each sentence. This one. This dress is too large for you, said Anita to Preeti. Begin, Anita told. Now question number 4. Rewrite. This dress is too large for you, said Anita to Preeti. Begin, Anita told. Anita told. This is your Anita. This dress is too large for you. Indirect speech. This will be that. Is will be was. That was. Anita told Preeti that dress was. That dress was. So this one, that dress was. This is correct. This one is correct. Answer is C. Next one. Sahu has no friends because she is proud. Use pride. This is Sahu has no friends because of her pride. Pride is noun. B. Option B is correct. Because of her pride. This is correct. Next one. B is correct. Next one. Only boys who turned up for the practice would be in the team. Use none. None. None के पास क्या रहेगा? But. तो this one, these two. But. None. But. Here given the boys. Here given only boys. The boys is the correct answer. None but the boys is correct answer. So answer is your C. Next one. His brother is richer than he. Begin, he is not. Richer than he is not as rich as. He is not as rich as. So option A is the correct answer. As rich as. He is as rich as his brother. Here C option. He is as rich as his brother. No. We have to negative. He is not as rich as his brother. Next one. The blue ceramic vase is very beautiful and with the question tag. The blue ceramic vase is given. So is not. This is your is not it. Is given. So is not it. Is not it. Negative. Is not it. This is your is not it. So your option B is correct. Next one. 6. Begin unless. If you do not drive safely, you will not be allowed to drive. If you do not drive safely, unless you drive safely. Unless you drive safely. This is your 6A. Unless you drive safely. This is the correct answer. If you do not drive safely, unless you drive safely. This is option A is the correct. Next one. The children had ice cream as well as lunch. Begin not only did had given. The children had ice cream as well as lunch. Had ice cream as well as lunch. This is your Not only did the children have, here have, did, this is did, so here present tense have. अगर did करोगे तो यहाँ पे present tense करोगे, have नहीं रहेगा, present tense रहेगा, have रहेगा. So only option C is correct. Have is only option C. Next one. Somebody has switched on the light and somebody. This is passive voice. Somebody has switched on the light. The light has is given. Has. Passive voice is has been. Here is has been. Only this option B is has been. So answer is your B. Has will be has been. Next one. That much only. So over this one, Preboard 2026 is over.